Hello, this is JB, the HoneyDo guy. Today I'm going to be baking my favorite cake, pound cake. Some say the pound cake was given the name because of the weight of several of its ingredients. Now this pound cake that I'm going to bake, I'll be using the Swan cake mix. I'll be sifting each cup of that mix, 3 cups. 3 cups of sugar. You can use your favorite vanilla flavoring, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a splash or a pinch of cinnamon if you want to add cinnamon to that. Cinnamon's not shown here, but you can add a little bit of cinnamon. 2 tablespoons of 7-Up, or as much as you desire. The more 7-Up, of course, the more of that 7-Up flavor you're going to get. Teaspoon of lemon, 3 sticks of butter, 2 unsalted and 1 salted. If you're going to be using all unsalted butter, then you'll need to add a pinch or a dash of salt to this recipe. And a block of cream cheese, 6 eggs, and you're going to need your favorite bundt cake pan, and of course a mixing cup and a sifter. Alrighty, I'll be back with further instructions on baking this delicious pound cake. Hang tight. This is JB, the HoneyDo guy. I'm back. As you can see, I've just wrapped up creaming, blending my butter and my cream cheese. You want to allow the cream cheese and butter to sit at room temperature before you use it. The next step, I'll be adding the eggs, 1 egg at a time, to this mixture. I like to beat my eggs, the yolk and the white, all at once. I know that some folks like to beat the yolk separately from the white. They like to add the yolk to the mixture, 1 egg at a time. And then at the end, fold in the egg white into the cake mix. I don't do that. I'm not sure if it makes a big difference. If it does, let me know, and I'll certainly change my recipe, because there's, as you, I'm sure, like to have the best cake possible. But in any event, I try to make it simple and easy, so I beat my egg yolk and white together. And I'll be adding that again to the mixture, 1 egg at a time. And I like to try to make things easy, so I like to have all of my ingredients ready to go when I start my baking. I like to add my spice to my flour, and I like to take a knife and just stir it in, blend it in like so, and then add the flour to the mix. About 1/4 cup at a time, I blend it in. Now, I probably blend my cake, mix my cake a lot longer than most people. But whatever method you use, go ahead. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Alrighty, I'll be back with the final step and before getting this cake into the oven. Hello, this is JB, the HoneyDo guy. As you can see, the cake mixture is ready to go into the oven. But wait, what if the grandkids drop by and they wanted cupcakes instead? Well, just simply pour this mixture into your cupcake pan and bake it. Or what if you wanted to make a loaf cake? Just simply pour this mixture into the loaf pan and freeze the remainder of the mixture. It freezes well. But today we're going to make a pound cake, and we're going to be using the bundt pan. So I'll be pouring this mixture into this pan, bundt pan, and we're going to bake it for about 2 hours at 325 degrees. Okay, hang tight and we'll come back in a couple of hours and show you the final results. Hello, this is JB, the HoneyDo guy. I'm back with the results of the pound cake. Now, some folks call this a cream cheese pound cake, and others call it a 7-Up pound cake. I simply call it a pound cake. This cake is really a birthday cake for my wife. Her birthday is tomorrow, and she likes the bold flavor of 7-Up in it. And so I went ahead and put an extra tablespoon of 7-Up in the mix. And so it has 3 tablespoons of 7-Up. And the cake took about took an hour and 30 minutes to bake. Of course, the baking time is going to depend on the type of oven that you have. But whatever you call this cake, cream cheese or 7-Up, bon appetit and enjoy it. God bless you and have a good day.